the numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the US Federal Reserve announced a 25 bps interest rate cut to its benchmark rate to 3.5%, 3.75%, marking the lowest level since 2022. Fed, however, signaled a tougher road ahead for further reductions. The summary of economic projections shows just one more interest rate cut for 2026. The verdict: Wall Street gains after the Federal Reserve votes for final rate cut. Even Gift Nifty seen moving higher. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1,651 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3,752 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to remain bearish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be risky. Nifty's technicals suggest massive weakening momentum. F&O December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 10.91 levels. At last check, USD-INR, December, was trading near the 90.13 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.81. Nifty outlook: brace for a session clouded by weak sentiment and downside bias. As the market tone remains distinctly pessimistic, caution should prevail on any excessive strength. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 25,758. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,689 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,103 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,650 and 25,950. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 84,391. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,000 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,000 and 85,000. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 58960. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,800 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,000 and 59,500. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. In yesterday's session, Nifty opened on a strong note and held firm through the first half, climbing comfortably above the dotted line. However, the index later gave up all its gains, closing the day on a jittery and unstable footing. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Zomato, CMP minus 2.90%, 283 rupees and 25 paise. Blinkit CEO Albinder Dheendasa has cautioned that India's quick commerce boom may be nearing a tipping point. His remarks come on the same day rival Swiggy launched its QIP to raise about 10,000 crore rupees, while another competitor, Zepto, has converted into a public company ahead of a planned IPO next year. Notably, Zomato had raised nearly 8,500 crore rupees through a QIP in November last year at a floor price of 265 rupees and 91 paise per share. Swiggy's QIP has been priced with a floor of 390 rupees and 51 paise per share. Meanwhile, Eternal, Zomato's parent, has also infused around 600 crore rupees into the company's quick commerce vertical. 2. Interglobe Aviation, CMP minus 3.17%, 4,810 rupees. Interglobe Aviation, the operator of Indigo, fell hard after the government directed the airline to trim 10% of scheduled flights following more than 2,000 cancellations last week. 3. TCS to acquire Salesforce consulting firm Coastal Cloud for $700 million. This will be the IT services giant's second acquisition in less than 3 months. In October, TCS said it was acquiring US-based ListEngage Midco for $72.8 million.